Okay, we're here at the gym. We're about to do a workout with the Gyroscope workout builder. On Gyroscope now, you can select from a variety of programs, some of which I've designed myself. We've got a total beginner at the gym program, a dumbbell training program. We've got various gym programs and a bodyweight beginner program as well. Then you can also make a fully custom program. Once you start these, then the AI is going to look at the data that you put into the program, into your workout, such as sets, reps, weight, this kind of thing. Then it's going to tell you what you should do every single set that you do and every single workout to make sure that you're applying progressive overload. All right, today we are going to be doing workout A of the full gym program. And as you can see here as well, you've got a schedule. So as you start working through your program, it's going to tick off the days that you train. It's going to show you the days that you don't train. It's going to help you stay accountable and adhere to the program itself. All right, let's go. Okay, we've done the warm-up now, so now we're going to go into the main workout. The first exercise is the barbell back squat. So as you can see, you get a video, you get some instructions, and we're going to start. Okay, so the AI is suggesting the weight that I put on the bar, and it's suggesting the amount of reps that I do. This is based on previous data, so we're just going to go with that. Let's do it. All right, now we've got the dumbbell chest press. So you can see it's suggesting 40 pounds based on previous data and 10 reps. If you ever want to change any of these, you can use the plus buttons, or you can double click as well and type in the number there. Let's keep it at 40. And done. Rest.
All of the workouts contain warm-ups, which include cardio and mobility movements to prep your body for the heavy work ahead, and cool-down stretches to allow your heart rate to slow and your muscles to relax. The custom-made programs are built based on your goals, available time, and equipment. The beginner pre-made programs are 6 weeks in length and designed so you can keep repeating or move to a more advanced plan, and our intermediate and advanced programs are split into phases, one focusing more on muscle growth, volume and endurance, and the other focusing more on strength and load. Both phases are bridged by deload weeks to allow your body and muscles to recover and grow, ready for the next phase.